and hope you guys enjoy the lockdown. You didn't go anywhere, but enjoy it.
I was looking cute, but no, I'm still looking cute. These are my $1 wish lashes.
Good luck to the band for tonight. Let's go.
Siaosi, kangoino akopa, masauti na ito isabo. Like everything that's going on in the world can really take its toll on people and mental health.
Hey, what happened to you?
Why would you cut my hair? Hey guys, welcome to another vlog. It is a Friday and I posted something on Instagram and so many of you guys said we gotta, get back to vlogging. Well, you didn't really say that, but you were like, where's the vlogs kind of thing. And I told myself that we would get something out. Doesn't matter what it was, but we would definitely try.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jody over here. What's going on with you guys? I just finished eating my food from last night. The dinner with mom and dad and all the siblings. Yeah, we're having dinner, the beautiful dinner. Nice dinner last night. Some food here. I smashed it all. It's Friday and hope you guys enjoy the lockdown. You didn't go anywhere, but enjoy it. You need to be enjoyed. My snack is Mandarin.
2 hours later.
And make sure read the Bible.
I read the Bible, Belas I read the Bible.
When you have the lockdown, guys, make sure read the Bible, say a prayer. You need to close to God.
You fuck my color so much, too much.
Not just...
Okay, baby, that's enough. That's enough for my kalanga. I've been eating the same thing every single day and it's just so delicious. So I've got scrambled eggs, ham, tomato, and an avo. That's what I'm having for lunch. Aussies should be home soon. But yeah, guys, after work, I did my makeup. I was looking cute, but no, I'm still looking cute. I was meant to go to the shops, but I'm just going to go for a walk instead. I know, the walk was not planned. But, gotta stay fit, guys. Gotta stay healthy. So when I get back, I'm going to start on my dinner. And then you guys will see. You guys will see. These are my $1 wish lashes. It came in like a 5-pack and there were 5 different style of lashes. I don't mind these ones. These ones are really long, like... as you can tell, very unnatural, but... Morning, guys! I'm determined to get a vlog up today. So, not today, this weekend, I mean. So we're on our way to the farmer's market. Aussie and I, running a little bit late because I stayed up, he stayed up playing Fortnite with his boys. And I was watching clickbait. And that was such a stupid... I was just like... There was just too many. Too many. And all of that because of a hobby, because you like to catfish people, because you wanted to feel loved. Girl, and that.
What's up, guys? It's your boy Chochi over here. Yeah, today is Saturday. We're gonna go to the farmer's market to get some fruits and some stuff from farmer's market. And today is game day for Penrith Panther. Let's go. Good luck to the Panther tonight. Look, 100% support. We're gonna go to get some stuff today, and yeah, we'll see you guys very soon.
Guys, so it was my nephew Zaya's birthday the other day and I ordered him a few things on Amazon, which one of them just came. So the other thing I ordered him was a metal detector because he's really like sciencey like that. He likes bugs and that kind of stuff. The metal detector is self-explanatory. It detects metal. He could go looking for coins, gold. So let's go. This song is dedicated to the one and only. I don't know these words. I only know the chorus. Shout out to Shorty Cap. Siaosi, kangoino akopa. In the English translation, Siaosi,
Go straight.
go that way. You went straight last time and you took us all the way around the world. pack your ish and get the hell out of here. Go back to where you came from. Look for some stupid ass, dumbass girl who's gonna put up with your crap, because I'm not Job in the Bible who just took everything humbly. And in my mind, you're never coming back. If you're going through a bad breakup,
this song is sing to a girl.
Pump this song. Oh, come on. Come on.
Back up all your stuff and go. Don't come back. Don't come back to me.
Yeah, don't come back, Aussie. Tangolo atopa u masawi na yalu. Bagay se bango ta efa yelo ta ilonga. Eole oyo pulea.
Eo onoi na eo mea. Ba, ero yo puho kangangi.
Can't do mainstream media songs because obviously we get copyrighted. But if you have like a Samoan jam that you'd like us to like jam to, by all means, go ahead and comment down below, and Aussie will karaoke it for you.
I'll do it for you guys. Nah, shout out to Natos and Brothers.
For this banger right here.
Yeah, banger right here.
I just know the chorus. So I'm just about to get this blended, guys. It makes me so happy when I'm like doing what I love, like eating healthy, looking after myself. It's gonna get really noisy. Smells yummy. I'm so happy to be vlogging again, guys. There was just a period where everything was literally just getting to me. I became so unmotivated, like just everything that's going on in the world can really take its toll on people. And mental health, like, so one of the things that the media is not really talking about is the amount of people who are committing suicide because of the effects of what's going on. We can't just pretend that they're not happening and sweep them under the rug. Anyways, let me not. So I'm just gonna make Aussie smoothie now, and I'll be back, guys. I've just got too much to do. I just got here to the park where my sister is at. She's here with her kids, so I'm gonna head over and just hold baby with her because I've been missing my little niece Soini. So I'm gonna go give her some kisses and cuddles. Hi, kitty, chubby. Give me a hug. Yo. Say hello, everyone. Say my name is Baby Soini. My middle name is Victoria, isn't it? I haven't seen her in so long, guys. This is such a gorgeous day, honestly. It's a beauty, guys. It's such a gorgeous day. The sun is shining. He's cutting his own hair. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Okay, it's time to go home now, darling. Say bye, Annie. Bye, Eddie. Oh, look who just decided to turn up, huh? Hey guys, Totes forgot to pick the camera back up again, but I'm currently editing this vlog and realized that I did not end it off. So we just hope that you enjoyed this vlog. This is our first vlog in like a long time, a month.
A long time.
But I want you guys to know that we got hopefully more content coming. We're going to be more conscious about vlogging, and we have a few things up our sleeve, so stay tuned for that, because I really want to do a mukbang, and we'll probably do an updated Q&A. So please, if you're interested and you want to know something, you want to be fights, post a comment down below, a question, and we will hopefully answer it in our Q&A. We haven't done a Q&A in like 3 years, so definitely a updated one is in the works. So yeah,
What's up, guys? It's your boy Joti over here. So yeah,
We're just
Hope you
watching
guys- We're just watching rugby right now. We're just watching rugby, New Zealand and Argentina right now. Yeah, back to our normal schedule. Do more video for you guys, you know.
Ngọt le backa, ngọt le backa. Ai de kai piki
This
the
week,
camera, my
we're
film
gonna
se
do
mea,
a
my
lot
vlog
of
se mea.
mukbang and a lot of challenge.
Why are you saying a lot? You know you're not gonna do
Yeah,
any.
this weekend we're gonna do a mukbang. So yeah,
This weekend,
yeah, this week.
like in how many days?
Maybe Saturday. We hope you guys enjoy and we're back to our SV squad. Stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. So, peace. Hey, what happened to you?
Why would you cut my hair?
Yeah, it's a prank. It's alright, it's alright. It's a prank, baby. I got you. I got you. Even if I cut your hair, you can fix it.
Oh!